By the end of this video, you will be able to know top reasons why small e-commerce businesses do not use CRM and top 5 reasons why they should. While customer relationship management system offer numerous benefits for e-commerce businesses, it's true that not all businesses, especially smaller ones, may choose to implement a CRM system. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you the reasons small or mid-sized businesses do not use a CRM and why you should adopt a CRM for your e-commerce business. Stay till the end because I have a bonus tip for you that will help you integrate a CRM with your business if you have a Shopify, WordPress or a Magento store. I'm Chandan, a Salesforce and HubSpot business automation implementation consultant. I have done more than 125 implementations and I have seen that on many occasions a small business owner ignores the use of a CRM. So I thought it would be valuable to create a video on this. So let's dive deeper into the topic. The decision to use a CRM often depends on various factors, including the size of the business, its specific needs, budget constraints, and level of technical expertise within the organization. Here are the reasons I see with my client why they choose not to use a CRM with their e-commerce business. To start with, reason number 1, that is cost. Implementing a CRM system can involve costs related to software licenses, customizations, and maintenance. For small businesses with tight budgets, these costs may be a deterrent. Reason number 2 is perceived complexity. Some businesses, particularly those with limited technical expertise, might perceive CRM system as complex, and they do perceive CRM system as complex, and they also perceive it as time consuming to implement. They may be hesitant to invest in a tool that they believe will be challenging to set up and to use, and it makes sense. Reason number 3 is limited resources. Smaller e-commerce businesses, especially those in the early stages, might have limited resources in terms of time, personnel, and expertise. They might prioritize other aspects of their operations and delay the adoption of a CRM. Reason number 4 is reliance on e-commerce platforms. Some e-commerce businesses rely heavily on their chosen e-commerce platforms, which often come out with built-in customers management features. Depending on the features offered by the platform, businesses may feel they are sorted and they can manage customer relationship effectively without a CRM system. Reason number 5 why they do not use a CRM is very common, and that is lack of awareness. Some businesses may not fully understand the benefit of a CRM or may not be fully aware of how a CRM system could enhance their e-commerce operations. Education and awareness about the advantages of CRM can be a key factor in adoption. Let's talk about the benefits now. Many successful e-commerce businesses eventually find value in implementing a CRM system as they seek to scale their operations, improve customer relationship, and gain insight from their data. So here are the top 5 reasons why an e-commerce business should use a CRM. Reason number 1 is centralization of data. A CRM allows you to centralize all customer-related information, including purchase history, preferences, contact details, and interactions. This centralized data repository helps in creating a comprehensive profile for each customer, and we are going to refer to this profile again. Reason number 2 is marketing segmentation. A CRM system enables you to segment your customer base based on various criteria such as demographic, buying behavior, or location. This segmentation can be instrumental in crafting targeted marketing strategies for different customer groups, also known as personas and profiles, as we discussed in point number 1. Reason number 3 is personalized messaging. With detailed customer profiles, the personas, you can personalize your marketing efforts. This includes creating targeted email campaigns, recommending products based on past purchases, and tailoring promotions to specific customer segments. Personalized marketing often leads to higher conversion rates, and this has been seen in many occasions for at least e-commerce businesses. Reason number 4, and a really important reason, that is customer service. A CRM helps streamline customer service by providing a complete view of customer interactions. This allows customer support representative to address issues more effectively, anticipate customer needs, and provide a more personalized and satisfactory experience to the customers. And reason number 5, the latest and most important one, is automation. CRM systems often come with automation features that can streamline routine tasks such as sending follow-up emails, updating customer records, and managing leads. This can save time and ensure consistency in your business processes. And here is an additional point: reporting. Reporting, as you know, is very important when it comes to e-commerce, just like it is for other businesses. So by analyzing customer data and sales trends, a customer system or a CRM system can provide valuable insight for better decision making. This includes sales forecasting, identifying high value customers, and understanding the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, which an e-commerce needs a lot. So the reporting feature is also not provided by all e-commerce systems unless and until they are integrated with a third-party system. So in conclusion, using a CRM can change the game for any e-commerce business because of the kind of data they can get. And as you know, data is today's gold. So here is the tip for you. You can use HubSpot's free version and Make Web Better, which is again a company. It's free plugin to connect your Magento or WordPress store with HubSpot. You can store up to 100,000 contacts for free in HubSpot free version. And if you have a Shopify store, Shopify has a native integration with HubSpot, and you can connect Shopify as well for free in HubSpot's free version and start seeing your customers in HubSpot CRM, including all their data. So that's all for this video, friends. I hope you have liked it and got some value out of it. Please give it a thumbs up so that it can reach out to others. See you again in my next. Till then, have a good day, night, and evening, wherever you are.